feel like we need to get a few things out in the open. I don't have a waffle maker. I've never made vegan waffles before. And I've never made vegan fried chicken before. So, this should be interesting.
I'm confused! I'm confused right now, G.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. I know you just saw my new intro, and how wicked is it? One of my very talented friends, Kelsey, made this for me. I'll link her Instagram details below. Before we get into this video, I have a few things to say. So my last video at this point in time has over 14,000 views. What? My mind has been so blown by the fact that, first of all, Miss Tabitha Brown, the vegan queen herself, commented on my video. Not only was she kind enough to comment, but she has officially subscribed to my channel.
Don't understand. I don't understand.
Stay calm. What? I wish someone could have recorded me when I saw that my video started popping off because Tabitha Brown shared it on her Instagram. I was crying.
Oh my God.
I was sweating profusely.
Caught me off guard.
I was pacing.
I did not expect it.
I was rocking back and forth.
I was chilling at home.
I couldn't breathe at one point. I feel so weird, like this is a dream and someone's gonna wake me up and say, ha ha ha, it's not real. I am so grateful, and thank you to those people who enjoyed the video so much that they decided to subscribe. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be making vegan fried chicken and waffles from scratch without a waffle maker. I've been left stranded without vegan fried chicken and waffles for quite some time now. So I thought, why not come on here and attempt to make it for you guys for the first time ever?
I accept that challenge.
I'm going to be combining two recipes. I found a recipe for vegan pancakes from BuzzFeed's Tasty. I have done a video on my channel before showing you how to make these. So I'm going to be using that as my waffle batter. And I've been also browsing the internet for a vegan fried chicken recipe, which I found on the YouTube channel called Bosch TV. If you've never heard of Bosch TV before, it's a YouTube channel created by two lovely people, Henry and Ian. They cook up some really delicious vegan meals, and I'll link their channel in the description and their original video where they made the vegan fried chicken. This recipe looked pretty simple, so I thought that would probably be the best chance I have for success. I really hope this goes well because they made it look so easy. So let's get cooking. In my cup, I have 130 mils of vegetable stock, half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon and a half of olive oil. Mix that together. I'm going to bring back my dry mix and I'm going to pour my wet mix in there and give it a stir. Oh, that smells good, boy. The next instruction is to beat the living daylights out of this mixture. The first part I think is done. So this is what the seitan, I'm pretty sure we've just made, is looking like. It just smells really herby and it feels squidgy but not sticky. I think that's what we're supposed to be going for. The only annoying thing about this recipe is the length of time it takes for the seitan to cook. It takes 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
To steam. I know. I want my chicken to look quite large, so I'm only cutting it into 8 pieces. That is what my seitan is looking like. Okay, so I've just put my seitan bites onto the steamer. I'm going to set the timer for 22 minutes because they said that you might want to jiggle your seitan bites about halfway through.
Many months later.
I gave them a little bit of a jiggle because I don't want to open it up to let any steam out just in case. And now I've got another 23 minutes to wait. While I am waiting for the seitan to finish cooking off, I'm going to start getting my batter ready for the waffles. Before I start making the batter for the waffles, I feel like I need to explain. So this is how I'm going to attempt, keyword being attempt, to make waffles without a waffle maker. I went online and I was looking for a waffle maker, and I was looking at some reviews. You'd see 5 stars, then you'd see in the comments it's contradicting the rating, and people are saying like it doesn't work, it doesn't evenly distribute, it doesn't work really well, it's much smaller than expected, it, you know, glitched out within the first couple of times they used it. So I started having trust issues. I got really confused. I started getting a headache. I started getting really stressed out. I started sweating.
I feel very attacked!
So I just thought, nope. And I went back on the trusty YouTube and looked up if there was a way that I could make waffles without a waffle maker. And I came across a video where this lady used a waffle mold. And so I ordered one off of Amazon. So we're gonna have a look at it now. It's like a silicone one. And I'm hoping that this is going to be able to give us some delicious looking waffles. So you just pop this in the oven. I've never used a silicone mold before, so this should be fun. Hopefully it doesn't melt. I feel conflicted by it. It doesn't seem very strong, so I don't know. We'll see if it works. Now I'm just going to get my batter ready because you need your plant-based milk and apple cider vinegar to set to the side first so that the mixture can thicken up to sort of make that buttermilk texture. Stir this all together. And we set that to the side. This is what the seitan bites are looking like after about 45 minutes. Oh, it has the same sort of squidgy texture of seitan burgers that I've had before, so I'm feeling like that's a good sign. I am going to make my wet and my dry mixture for the seitan bites, and then we can get started. And I've also set aside my waffle mix over here so that we can do the waffles at the last minute. 400 mils of plant-based milk, 200 grams of coconut yogurt, got the juice of 2 lemons, a little bit of salt. I'm going to mix that, and I'm going to set that to the side. Now it's time for the dry mixture. I've got my dry mixture and my wet mixture over here with my seitan bites, which I'll get to in a minute. But first I'm going to do my waffles because they're going to take about sort of 10 to 15 minutes in the oven.
Are you sure about that?
I'm going to pour this waffle mixture back into the measuring jug. Grease the molds. I've already preheated my oven to gas mark 4. I didn't want to go too high with the heat, just in case the waffles burn. That has only made sort of 1.5 waffles. So now I'm going to pop these in the oven and set a timer for 10 minutes.
Are you sure about that?
We are finally gonna get to do the fried chicken, which I'm so excited about. So the first thing that we need to do is take our seitan bites and put them into the wet mixture. And you really want to make sure that they're all submerged. before we get started frying, I am just going to do a double dip. So I am going to take the seitan bites that have been soaking in the wet mixture and I'm going to put them into the dry mixture. I'm going to take these ones that we've already just dipped and I'm going to put it back into the wet mixture and dip it one last time. That has been double dipped now. The timer has just gone off, so I'm just going to check on the waffles. Still look like they need a bit more time. Now all the seitan pieces have been double dipped and now it's time to fry them up. I don't have a thermometer, but in the Bosch TV video, they said that you can test out if your oil is hot enough by using a wooden spoon and popping it into your pan. Please be very careful when you do this. The bubbles that are forming around the wooden spoon are showing you that the oil is now hot enough to do the deep frying. And that is our vegan fried chicken. That looks so good. It's time to check on the waffles. I've left them on for much longer than 10 minutes because they did not look done at all. I'm just scared now that they're going to burn, so I'm going to turn the oven off. We're going to check if it's okay. Oh! That has come out really... I hope it's cooked inside though. Wow, okay. Waffle maker for who? We don't need one. We don't need one. We're cheap. Oh! I'm really surprised by that. Okay, so I'm going to plate it up now.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Time for the taste test. Just want to show you the inside in case anyone's curious. I waited just until this top side was a bit brown in colour.
Oh my God!
It actually worked.
Oh, y'all wanted a twist, eh?
I don't need a waffle maker at all. Yes. Now I'm going to taste test the vegan fried chicken. So that is what it looks like inside.
I've been in the kitchen.
Oh my goodness.
Whipping.
Did I actually...
I've been chefing.
Nah, that's a lie. Nah, that's a lie. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite seitan.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Did I just become a chef? Nope, need another piece. Oh. That tastes so good. I'm so pleased with myself. Let's start off with the waffle. The waffle mixture that I used is a pancake batter from BuzzFeed's Tasty. I've never made it with waffles before, but I think it works just as good. I did have to leave it for much longer than originally anticipated because my oven is quite slow, and I did put it on a low heat just because I didn't want it to burn. But I think that it came out really, really decent. This mold literally cost me about £4 from Amazon, so I think that is better than buying a waffle maker. I mean, you might need to wait a little bit longer, but I think instead of wasting your money buying a waffle maker, get a waffle mold. It works. Let's get into the vegan fried chicken. I genuinely cannot believe how easy that was to make. That was so easy. Thank you, Bosch TV, for making that video, because I never would have thought to make my own vegan fried chicken. That tasted so delicious. The only thing I will say is, if you are going to do this, make sure you've got quite a bit of time on your hands, because it does take at least 45 minutes to cook, and then afterwards you're going to need to deep fry it to get that even more flavor out of it. The actual seitan itself tasted really delicious. I think because we added the veggie stock and all those different spices into it, it really helped flavor it up. And then you've got that southern fried style coating on top, which just elevates it and takes it to a whole new level. I'm so impressed with myself. I honestly can't believe that that worked out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos, which is every Sunday, 5 p.m. UK time. Remember to always be kind to one another because you never know someone's struggle. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I'm so pleased with myself.